If you're looking for a reliable source for Huawei HCIP-Transmission V2.5 exam preparation, then you're in the right place. QuestionsTube is here to provide you with new Huawei H31341-V2.5-ENU practice test to help you prepare for the HCIP-Transmission V2.5 certification. This is QuestionsTube. We provide you with the latest study materials and practice questions, including the new H31341-V2.5-ENU practice test to help you make preparations. The importance of Huawei HCIP-Transmission V2.5 certification. The HCIP-Transmission V2.5 certification is in high demand due to its significance in the transport network industry. It allows individuals to master the principles, scheduling schemes, commissioning methods of transport network devices, service configuration, protection implementation mechanisms, and troubleshooting methods of transport network devices and transport network faults. Passing H31341-V2.5 exam and achieving the HCIP-Transmission V2.5 certification will allow you to become a high-level O&M engineer for transport networks. New H31341-V2.5-ENU practice test. HCIP-Transmission V2.5 certification exam is available in both English and Chinese. QuestionsTube offers authentic Huawei H31341-V2.5-ENU practice test in English to help you prepare for the HCIP-Transmission V2.5 certification. Our practice tests are designed to provide you with splendid instructions to go through the exam in the first attempt. By getting Huawei HCIP-Transmission V2.5 certification H31341-V2.5-ENU practice questions, you can accomplish your goal to pass the exam on your first try. Come to read the free Huawei H31341-V2.5-ENU demo questions to check the quality. 1. How many VC12 virtual taillinks are supported by the same physical board or between two adjacent network elements? A.1, B.4, C.8, D.2. Answer. B. 2. In the following OTN frame structure overhead, which item represents the path tracing identifier? A. BDI, BTTI, CBIP8, DGCCO. Answer. B. 3. When using the dual slot line group MSP ring, which of the following situations is the multiplex section overhead K bytes in the pass-through state? A. The crossboard is abnormal. B. The main control board is abnormal. C. The main control board is not in place. D. When the status of the multiplex section protocol controller is pass-through. Answer. C. 4. In the network management planning process, which item is not absolutely necessary? A. Network scale planning, network management deployment planning. B. DON network planning, OS docking planning. C. Network parameter planning and reliability planning of the network management server. D. Network management software and hardware configuration. Answer. B. 5. Which of the following description of the 100G mixed transmission system is wrong? A. Coherent and non-coherent signals, 10G and 40G ODB will affect each other, resulting in a sharp drop in performance, and isolation bands are necessary. B40GDQPSK and coherent signals will not affect each other without isolation band. C10G starts from a short wavelength, and the isolation band can be filled with 40GDQPSK wavelength. D. The cost of mixed transmission is related to the number of transmission spans and the width of the isolation bandwidth, and has nothing to do with the FEC encoding method. Answer. D. 6. Which of the following protections in microwave equipment does not require dual slots? ASD, BFD, CHSB, DSD plus FD. Answer. C. 7. Reasons which is impossible for OTN equipment and network elements to be disconnected frequently. A. When using optical monitoring, the DCC mode setting is wrong. B. Using electrical monitoring, the line quality is not good. C. NAID conflict. D. Users of the same network element log in to the network element at the same time. Answer. A. 8. In the path search process of the U2000 network management, the Path Search Management module first scans the cross-connections of each network element, constructs sub-paths according to the cross-connections of adjacent network elements, and tries to merge these subpaths at the same time. Which of the following subpaths is legal? A. Subpaths form a loop. B. The path does not pass through the fiber. C. The original destination is not the endpoint of the subpath or the optical port of the subnet. D. The subpath terminates on the pre-configured network element. Answer. D. 9. After which of the following steps, the rollback operation cannot be performed? A. Load. B. To distribute. C. To activate. D. Submit. Answer. D. 10. Regarding the TTX board, which of the following statements is correct? A. In essence, the TTX board is not a 100G tributary board, but it requires a single-slot 100G crossover capacity. B8800 T64, T32 universal subrack can support TTX single board. C. This board belongs to the tributary board and can access 100G client-side services. DTTX can do ODU4 particle electrical crossover with NS4. Answer. A.